Hey guys, it's Fearx103 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this house behind me. So, of course I'm going to show you what the inside looks like, but here's the outside. Just a nice little look. There's not much detail on the outside, but you can add some detail to your house. So on the inside, you have a nice little floor. You have a couch you can sit on, like this. Watch some TV. If they even had TVs, that'd be cool. And then you can come upstairs. You have your nice little bedroom. You don't need to use a green bed. I just really like green. You got your two large chests here, your crafting table, and your oven. I use glass panes, but you can use whatever you want. See, look, go in here, search this. There's all this type of glass that you can use. I'm just going to spill it out. See, you can use any of this glass here besides this bottle. So yeah. I will show you the items you will need. You will need oak wood planks. Sign, a bed, torch, oak wood slabs, a door, crafting table, chest, and a furnace, and stairs. There's a whole bunch you will need for this, but I'm going to get out the stuff that you need for the outside first. And that's really all you need for the outside. I'm going to build it right next to it so I remember what it looks like. So let me count how many you need to go up. So 1, 2. So you're going to want to go up 9 blocks, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just like that. Then you're going to want to count out 5 blocks out, and then do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that, and then place one there, I think. Yeah. Then you're going to want to build up 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just like that. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get your oak planks. Then you're going to do 2. And then put a gap. And then 2. And then keep going up until that block and that block. Oh yeah, and then you're also going to want to block this off. If you don't know, this is for the door. No, we'll just place the door now. Go to your door and then break under it. And there. Okay, you're going to want to build to there. Then you're going to want to get your oak wood. Just like that. And there you go. You have your front of your house. Now on the other sides, you're going to want to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to want to put 1. And 1, because then you're going to have your glass windows there. And then build across the top. And then keep going till you reach... Oh, just keep going until you get to the top. You guys are probably wondering why I need to double check. It's because I can't really remember that. Like this house. I don't know how long it took me. I think I'm going to have to put this into 2 parts. Because my videos can only be 15 minutes. You won't be able to hear game audio because I'm not using that screen recorder. That screen recorder is only when my cousin is here. So you're going to want to do this exact same thing on the other side. Wait. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from here you're going to want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry I didn't remember this. There. This is going to be for your glass pane on that. And then the back is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wait. We need to build this up. Okay, so build 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait. No, it's just 5. Just build 5 out. Get out your wood. And then build up. Just like that. And then you're going to want to connect these, except you want it going sideways. Now, this part might be annoying, but it's actually not that hard once you get the hang of it. So, you're going to want to build up. Just like that. And then the very last one, like right, what am I doing? You're gonna want to break 3, yeah, 3. You're gonna want to break 3 away. Then you're gonna do the exact same thing as you did on that side right there. So you're gonna want to leave this gap here, and then fill in the top. I'm gonna look over there from time to time just to remember what I have to build. Okay, so I think it's, yeah, it's 1 more row, and then I do this, and then that. Okay. Now that you got that, you're gonna wanna build out 1, and this would be for the roof. I think we're gonna have to do the inside on a separate video, just because it depends. I don't know. Okay, you're gonna want to go inside. You're gonna want to go get your stairs. Let's replace them with the sign, so we don't need the sign yet. You guys might be wondering why you need this sign. You basically just need this sign because, yeah, the couch inside you saw. Whoa, what is wrong with that stair? Okay, now you're going to want to build up again. Okay, I was just checking if I have my house that time. Okay, so basically you get the idea of what you need to do here. Just build all the way up, and then I'm going to pause the video because you guys already know what you need to do. You need to build all the way up until you get to the very center. Okay, so I got that down, and now you're going to want to get your oak wood. You're going to want to place that on the ends, and then once you're done with that, you're going to want to get out your half slabs and then go to the very top. If you want to know why you need to do normal wood on that, is because, look, with half slabs, you can't place that there, so you're going to want to do normal wood. Okay. I could do the roof all like this for all half slabs, but I'm not going to. Okay. Okay, so that's what you're going to want that to look like. So we're done with the outside, guys. Now let's go on the inside. Okay, it's actually getting kind of dark. So now we'll go into the finished house. Look at the inside just so I can remember what it looks like. Now the inside might not look the same. You can decorate the inside however you want. I'm just going to like do the floor and everything, so you need to do it. And then, you already know how I built it. I'll just come in here and show you how I did it. So, actually, do you want that here? No, you don't want this here, actually. So, you do want it here. And I forgot about this one right here. Okay. So, this is just how I built it. You don't need to build it like this. I'm just going to get this done now. Now, you want the signs. Where did I put the signs? Oh, I got rid of the signs, didn't I? I bet you I did. Signs. Signs. Thank you. Okay, I don't need the crafting table yet. This is why you need the signs. Just to make it look more like a real couch. Now, you're going to want to get out your oak wood. Place it there. Get out your oak wood planks. Wait, you don't actually need that there. You're going to want to break all of this. Oops. Nah, that's not okay. And you're going to want to do something that should look a lot like this. I don't know why that keeps standing up there. Okay, got that. And you're going to want to do this. If you're wondering why I'm not doing it there, because that's where the stairs are going to be for the next floor. Okay, now it's time to build the stairs. Probably one of the most easiest parts of every house are the stairs. There we go. And then you're just gonna, oh, that's the wrong side to do that. You're actually gonna want to do your mirror on this side. I mean your glass pane. Or whatever you're using. Like I said, I only like using glass panes because it makes it look kind of more like a real window. I don't know if you guys all think that, but I'm gonna use glass panes. Now, you're going to want to put torches in on the bottom, but I will do that once I finish this floor. Okay. You can do the torches however you want. It doesn't really matter how you do torches. I think I did mine like this. Yeah, like this. And then I did it. Oh, wait. Here, I'll be right back. You guys are going to want to fill in this area so you can't see the roof. Once you got that, you're going to want to place a torch here. A torch here. You're going to want to place those two going down. Torch here, going down. Torch here, going down. You get the idea. You want to go 2 down. Wait, did I do the mirrors on the bottom floor? Yeah. Here, let's do the mirrors on this floor. I think I did these mirrors way too high up. I think I did the... Yeah, I don't think... Here, let me check how... big the... Okay. If I walk up here. Yeah, the mirrors are much more close down. I don't know why it doesn't. Yeah, those are perfect. That's equal. I think I didn't do the second floor right. I think I did it too low. Yeah, I think I did it too low. I don't know. This one seems to be fine. Oh, it's because I didn't do this at the right size. This needs to be 1 down. Sorry about that, guys. So you're going to want to build this 1 down. Wait, is it 1 down? Let me check. Yep. And then that's actually more visible. Okay. So now that you got that, you're going to want to get out whatever type of bed you chose. Like I said, I chose my lime green bed because I really like the color green. And you're going to want to get out all of your decorations, and then you're technically done with your house. And I just placed my decorations like this. That. Got my crafting table. Put that there, and then put that there. And if you want, you could put it in an ender chest. But yeah, let's go take a look outside. That's how you build your very own simple house in Minecraft. Hope you've all enjoyed this video of Minecraft. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye!